Alright, yes, I always want to make sure that I upload these sweet, good videos for you guys so that you can always see how good our natural hair is. And indeed, we need always to embrace our natural hair because it is a way to go. So this time around, we are doing the natural cornrows and we are not adding any hair extension. And this is how I've managed to grow my daughter's hair, and this is how it looks. So these are simple hairstyles that you can always do and make their hair to grow very well. And if you're not going to forget, if you want the products that I always use on her hair, I'm gonna be adding it in the description. The link is there. You can go and check it out and see how it looks like. Still, if you want to buy it, please just click on it. I will be delivering it to you exactly where you are. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, located in Ntinda, Ministers Village. And to those who would want to book our services, you can always check it out at www.hairbyclippers.com and you get our services. So now let's see how it is going to look like, and I would like you to rate me from 1 to 100 to see how this looks like. And please, if you have any question, you can always ask in the description. Let's try to watch the video and see how it is going to look like.
Jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers. Confidence eri mu kikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody Clippers we're the best, everybody Clippers we're the best, everybody Clippers we're the best, everybody Clippers we're the best. Jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers, Hair by Clippers. Easy life and no twaze kuchigonza MDC hair all bubu yaze kuchigonza Easy combi kunacho hair zigonza No sanirire viringa tolina paini Tolina shampoo, conditioner ne treatment. Bizigo bya batona bakulu and check this. Bigonza na kabidi no ne bikanyiriza. Bikola kunacho straight hair and biddies on easy comb for your hair. Yeah. Ne MDC. Tolina natural hair. MDC. Over straight hair. It's one for you, is it come for you? Yeah.
Alright, so after everything, this is our anti-itchy, the MDC for the kids, and it is also on our online selling. So if you want them, we can always give it to you. So for now, I would like you guys to rate this from 1 to 100. Please don't forget, just write in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a like. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. I love you all, and may the Lord bless you all. And please just know we always upload videos every week for you guys to love the natural hair. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Maurice, the cricket master, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh, no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah. Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold nayo nyumide gwe no kamala. Bakutonye kaviri kulya kulaba kakwegomba. Ofananye African queenie. Manicure, pedicure, checho. Wali ewa we see the crochet master. Bali professional movie and video bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga queenie. All in it like expected, so good and fancy. Bakukola kaviri, no la bikanga mutini. All in it like expected, so good and elegant woman. Alongside Jambo go Rodney. In the minister's village alongside Jambo go Rodney. Yeah, back keeper. We're totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Man over number one. Bolichimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu pull up. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujembi riba.